So we're here today at Zwartkops Raceway for the last race of the season of the Sassel GTC Cup. We're going to come support my friend Charles Malberger. He's racing in the GTC 2 class and a GTR, Q20 GTR. I'm here with Carmen, my girlfriend.
First time watching any type of
First
race.
time on the vlog.
And at a race.
Oh, there we go. Sorry.
That's nice.
Oh, it's a Beamer. M4.
That's race car.
Oh, dude, this is definitely a race car. Look at this thing. M3 actually, because it's a 4-door. It's nice, eh? Proper, hey? Yes, it's very SLS Black Series. This car is super rare. Come check at the front. Woo. Aventador S 63 edition. Naturally aspirated V12. Porsche GT2 RS with the Varsak on. Varsak package. You can see in the window. There we go. Carmen's like, oh, look at that car. I like the color. And she's got no idea what it is. So basically, this car has the, well, I don't know, no, it doesn't anymore. Just wait for that car. This car used to have the, can you shut up? Thank you. So this car used to have the lap record at the Nürburgring for the fastest production car ever. And on top of that, this is a special edition called the Varsak package, which you get magnesium wheels, carbon seats, carbon roof, carbon bonnets, carbon wing. Quite nice, eh? It's a Varsak package with Alcantara and carbon seats, carbon intakes. I think. Now, looks like it.
Qualify last.
Yeah. That BMW is catching. Because he was stuck in the farts and now he's catching. Check, they pulled away already from the other cars. See? This shot. Kom Shala! So what you saying, Carmen? Hey?
Disgusting.
What you saying? You're saying disgusting. Why are you saying disgusting?
This is fun though. I'm a race girl.
You're a race girl.
Definitely. And I've become a racer.
You become a racer. Like Shaw.
Yeah.
Racer.
My coach.
You're gonna get yourself a car like that.
But
Hey?
a pink one.
A pink one. You got 400 grand to spare to buy the car.
Yeah.
And then
saving.
and then another 400 grand to on running costs.
Yeah.
And that's if you don't crash it.
No problem. I won't
Do you have drivers?
Almost.
What happened? What happened?
You wouldn't have made it even. Don't even lie. Don't even lie.
But I passed
That Boxstein was there.
that
You
Boxstein.
think you would have made it?
That
No.
Boxstein. That Boxstein. It's a bit bigger than a Boxstein, but if you want to call it a Boxstein.
Huge. It was a big one.
What was it like?
Big Boxstein.
A big Box.
Big one. So I'm just saying.
Hey? Wat sê jy, Shaw?
Ek's wel rustig hou. Chill 'n bietjie uit voor die wedstryd.
Alright.
Dan kan fokus 'n bietjie hou.
Focus 'n bietjie. Ah.
Wat 'n goeie start.
So if anybody doesn't know, this is Charles Holberger. He races in the GTC2 class, Premier class, or one below the Premier class.
Yep.
And how's it going today? First race, how did it go?
Third was good. Got a good start, and then I was in the mix with the minis and Keegan, other top guys, and I managed to challenge for second. I just couldn't quite get there, and yeah, we ended up with third. So on the
And
podium.
so we got reverse grid now, so you're starting third to last. You reckon you can get back to third again?
That's the goal, eh?
That's the
If we
goal.
can get another podium, we'll be chuffed. We'll
can
be
see
spraying
here.
champagne.
Lee Thompson Racing. Now, here's the car. There's the podium girl with the umbrella. Right here.
I can be a fan.
In third place, please put your hands together for Charles Holberger. Thank you, nice drive, Charles.
Yes, congratulations.
In second place, Devon Robertson.
Awesome, man.
Sy kan dit gebruik, so hy gaan space koop.
Ja, ek rekord maar alles.
And our GTC winner for Heat 1, Wayne Masters. Keegan Masters, Wayne's little boy.
Shame, man.
Paas my.
Living in his dad's shadow. Hey, Shala!
Yeah, just from the one turn.
Just from the start. Check the BMs already. Where's Shaw? Oh, Shaw. Shaw's already up in third. Fourth. He really made up. I think one. I told you.
But these cars are a lot softer.
He's already third. He took some turns down at the bottom there. So apparently, we think one of the Ferraris crashed, and Carmen just said the funniest thing ever. I was like, oh no, I was like, it's a Ferrari, so it's quite expensive. And the car was like, that's a lot of damage. Probably can't hear anything because of the wind.
Yeah. But anyways,
Flex seal.
Lexiel.
Seal, that's
We'll do
a
the
lot.
job.
We'll do the job.
We'll do the job. We'll keep it going. Keep it fast.
Flex seal. Keep it together. Flex seal.
He's waterproof. What it can
We're the worst ever. It's the sunlight's behind us. The wind's blowing.
Yeah, it's quite bad. Like, it's not that bad.
Brum brum in my brand new BM.
That's a nice car.
BM. Most tuned BM I've ever seen in my life. This thing
So loud.
sounds like a rocket ship.
This was my mom's car, hey?
Yeah, shut
Yeah.
up.
It's like
Scuderia Ferrari.
like a Porsche.
Then there over there, there's a guy that vapes. He does CrossFit and he drives a Subaru. All he needs on the back of his car is that, do you even vape, bro? I'll drive a Subaru.
Wearing sufficient shoes and
Ferrari's not doing well. Hey, we have Carmen sitting in Charles' GTC2 racing car. It's a Golf GTR. What do you think?
Excuse me, I could do this. It's cool.
Fully stripped out. It's got a normal gearbox, normal clutch.
Then it's on me.